See you lagi ya.
Oke,
ke Brisbane ya.
Oke.
Muah. Iwan nenek. Dia nangis. Nangis. Makasih, thank you ya, makasih ya.
Kalau nggak pulang bikin rusuh mulu ntar. Jakarta rusuh karena dia. Jakarta rusuh karena dia.
Aduh. Makasih ya. Ya Allah, baik banget nenek. See you lagi nenek. Zoe, thank you. Aku diantarin sampai bandara. Sampai sini doang. Karena udah nggak bisa masuk lagi. Udah. Sampai gerbang keberangkatan, baik banget. Pagi-pagi subuh-subuh udah dijemput tuh, salah ya. Ya udah. See you lagi ya.
Oke,
ke Brisbane ya.
Oke.
Muah. Thank you sayang. I love you. Thank you. Thank you ya.
I'm gonna miss you.
Miss you too. Lu jangan nangis, ntar ketemu gua udah. Jangan nangis. Ayo let's go. Nenek.
I'm gonna see daddy. Oh, neneknya tahu dia. Dia gonna see daddy, oke?
Say bye-bye nenek.
Iya.
Say bye-bye nenek.
Dah.
Bye-bye nenek.
Iya.
We have to go to see daddy, honey. We have to go now.
Ya udah.
Nenek will come later, okay?
Iya.
Nenek will come. Dah. Say I love you nenek, see you soon. Say I love you nenek, see you soon. I love you nenek. Bye, say bye. I know, bye. Dah sayang, thank you ya, makasih banyak ya buat semuanya.
Iya.
Yo nenek. Nenek will come to Brisbane to see you. Okay? You wanna see nenek? How about we gonna see daddy and kakak Kai and babang and kakak Iya? You want nenek? You love nenek? Mommy too, okay? But nenek can't get to Australia yet because nenek visa not yet. So the nenek will come soon, okay baby? Oh, my baby, please don't cry, my baby. Don't cry. I love you. Don't cry, okay? Okay. Hang on, mommy do this one. Hang on. Okay. Light gitu. Oke. Jadi aku sama Kesha hari ini pulang. Alhamdulillah kita udah dapat visa ke Australia. Tapi Kesha masih sedih karena nenek gak bisa berangkat dikarenakan visanya belum selesai. My baby, don't cry. Please don't cry. Yeah. No, the airplane almost here. Don't worry. Nenek will come to Brisbane, okay? Nenek coming soon, okay nenek? Nenek coming soon. Tuh kakak Zoe tuh. Kakak Zoe coming soon too. Hai nenek. Nenek, tuh nenek. What? You want go to nenek? Itu nenek tuh. Oke. mau diem. Airnya mau diem. Kamu mau get out? Do you wanna get out?
Yeah.
You wanna get out?
Yeah.
Okay, get out. Okay. Pick one.
Okay, on this.
Okay, sit down. You want this one?
Can you Hello Kitty?
Can you look at you? How much is it? Okay, sit down here.
Yeah, it $1.
Sit down. Okay, we need to pay first, okay?
Okay, it's $1.
Okay. He didn't see you. He didn't see you.
The mask.
Daddy. Babe, be
Finally
home.
home, honey.
Be home. No more sleep, right? It's been a long time, right?
Yeah.
You gonna go swimming today, honey, or is it too cold?
It's too cold, I guess, Bada. Hey, akhirnya nyampe juga di kampung suami tercinta. Sekarang kita on the way ke rumah. Jadi rumahku itu semenjak aku ke Belitung, ke Indonesia, di Jakarta, kita udah pindah. Jadi aku belum pernah nih ke rumah yang baru. Terus Jason dan Keyra nggak tahu kalau aku sama Keisha pulang hari ini. Jadi yang tahu tuh cuma bapaknya, omnya, kakeknya, dan Carly yang tahu sih. Saya mau kagetin anak saya, apa dia masih tidur. Coba kita lihat rumah saya yang berantakan, karena nggak ada yang ngurus. Oh iya, kalau di Australia sekarang lagi musim dingin, tapi dinginnya tuh kayak autumn, berasanya kayak autumn kalau di Korea, karena bagian Brisbane ini agak hangat ya, karena kita banyak ke pantai kali ya. Oke, ikutin ya. Happy banget ketemu suami.
Give us a look at the big girl.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go surprise kakaknya. Ini rumahnya masih berantakan. Let's go. Let's go. Wake up! Wake up! Dia nangis. Mommy,
Right?
you're right.
Keisha, it's Mama. Why can't you quiet? Mommy.
Oh, come here. Come here.
And you. Mommy. Mommy. Can you give me something for you? For you? Mommy, can you give me something?
Okay, okay. Oh, Brenda, no, don't cry. Don't cry. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. Ya Allah, kasihan anak gua nangis.
You made it home.
3 bulan gak ketemu ya nak, beneran nangis. Hey brother.
Mommy, can you give me something?
I know, baby girl. Yes, in your backpack.
Look at it.
Still in the car.
Okay. I got something for you in my backpack in the car.
Do you see Uncle Dustin?
Yeah, hang on. Kakak kok ngahak mami? Lihat deh.
Surprise.
Surprise, see? Mami the biggest surprise, right? Hah? Ya Allah, anakku.
I made her happy now.
You make her happy? Wow, you really good. Where's your present for Kakak Iya?
Where is it?
In the car.
Can you get it?
Daddy can get it. In your backpack. In the car.
Wait a minute.
Oh, my baby.
Oh,
Are you being good?
No. I'm joking. I love you.
You being good? I love you. I miss you so much.
I do what you said.
Like what? Sholat. Kamu sholat. Terus apa lagi? Kamu doain. Kamu doain sama Allah. Kamu doa. Beneran. Ini rumah baru pindahan sebulan yang lalu. Loh, udah kayak kapal pecah. Ya beginilah ya. Kalau di rumah cuma cowok semua, cuma ada Keyra doang yang cewek. Thank you, Babang. Aku selalu doain Mami. Oke, Mami. Thank you, Babang.
Have your back. Back, guys.
In your backpack. Open the backpack. Open the backpack.
Okay. Wow, your backpack is so big. Look. What? My mom buy it because of
My mom bought it.
close your eyes and close your too. Don't look.
Don't look, and then
Where's that one?
yeah, that one. No, not that one. Here we go.
Over there! What is this? It's for the eye that you can see.
Yeah, pinter. Say thank you to Keisha.
Thank you, Keisha.
So cute. Look,
Eyes, your
look for Babang.
eyes. Wait, can we swap?
Oh, it's not good.
No, that one for you. You like better that one.
Help me. I can't open this.
Open, bang. And then show them your ini, your
Got my what?
Oh yeah, mommy. In Thornlands, I want gold.
wow.
Just left, I want gold.
Yeah, wow.
I don't know where it is.
Wow. Look at it. Wow. For sleeping here.
The thingy.
Remember?
Oh,
Like
it's
it?
so smooth.
I
My
know.
unicorn pillow.
You like it?
My unicorn pillow. Thank you, mommy.
Semuanya tuh masih berantakan. Tuh cowok semua di dalamnya kan. Nah tuh masih berantakan.
I don't know where your ujung is. Where's your ujung?
Where's your June, Keisha?
On your head.
Yeah, head.
Thank you.
Cardboard box is all the
For you.
rigmarole
I
goes
want to
in
stay
the
with
comments.
you.
Ah, yes. Hey, Keisha, look. Your boo. Jesus. Keisha, you wanna see your boo? Iya, kita ke belakang aja deh.
Where's your book?
Wow.
So pretty. I can't see it. This floaty donut. And two noodles. I love the still two noodles. The flamingo's dead, but okay.
Kamu kok getting taller, nak? I love your hair.
My hair, I need to brush it first. You
Okay.
You hair.
Jadi bener-bener masih berantakan ya. Ya Allah, kasihan banget. Nggak ada yang bantuin. Ini cewek tuh cuma gue di sini. Tuh makanannya udah tersedia. Nih, tiap pagi tuh aku makannya ini. Nggak usah di ini. Mertua tuh baik banget dah. Thank you, Dad. Yummy, yummy, yummy. So yeah, akhirnya aku udah nyampe rumah. Alhamdulillah. Nyampe rumah, jadi seperti yang kalian lihat rumah masih berantakan di mana-mana karena emang suamiku doang. Maksudnya nggak ada yang berberes di rumah kan. Ya udah. Thank you ya, thank you for watching. Anak-anak ternyata surprise.
Thank you for watching.
And
I hope you like and subscribe, and don't forget
do you like the surprise?
Yeah.
You're crying. Jajang.
You guys, is this a dream?
Huh? Yes. This is a dream. You know I bite. Mami bite.
No.
Oh, so happy. Senang nggak mami di rumah?
Yeah.
Happy?
Yeah.
Mami miss you so much.
Me too.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. I hope you like this video, and if you did, smash that like button and subscribe to our channel. Bye.
Bye.